Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. The Vanquish, a highly precision off-road machine, capable of running on any terrain. Steve here, Shen RC. We got the Vanquish. And we're gonna give this a test run with the GPS to see how fast it goes. I got this spot here, the new spot to try out. And I'm gonna be running this on 2S LiPo. I think it's a 5400. This is all stock. I think it has only 6 ball bearings extra that I had to put in the kit because they give you like bushings. And everything's stock on it, 540 silver can. Let's see how fast it could go on the GPS. Alright, I got the GPS. We're gonna hook it up. I think we'll hook it up back here. Let's see how fast this thing goes. I'm just gonna let this activate. Let me turn on my radio and then we'll get ready to go. Alright guys, we're ready to go. Check if this GPS is picking up. Yep. Alright, here goes the re-release Vanquish kit. Stock, 100% 2S LiPo, full ball bearings. Let's see what she does. Alright. Here she goes. That should be good enough. And what did she do? 19.9 miles an hour. Let me hold that up for you guys. Right there. Alright, that's pretty quick. So we're going to give this a little thrashing. I ain't going to beat on it too much, but we're going to give it a run now. Oh! Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Look at the Vanquish. Look at the handling.
A suspension moves over every bump in the terrain. The Vanquish, a highly precision off-road machine, capable of running on any terrain.
Oh my God.
Look at it go. Look at the handling. Sophisticated suspension.
Alright guys, that's the little basharoo with this Vanquish. And there she is. Guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. This thing's fun as hell. It's a beauty. There she goes, right there. Alright guys, that's enough. 19.5, I forget, miles an hour. It's pretty quick out of the box with the stock motor. Runs pretty good too. I like it a lot. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching again. And please leave a comment if you can and a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It'll be awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. Beauty. Whoa, that motor on this thing runs hot. I'm gonna have to get a different motor and gear it down, because I think it has a 21 tooth. I'm gonna have to gear it down and get a different motor. It's running real hot. You can't even touch it. It's probably toasty.